gonna clean up good.
The Vermont two-tone.
The Vermont two-tone, man. I like it. Half white and half black on this thing. Wow. Well, this is gonna clean up really quick and easy. Look at the salt on this thing, huh? My gosh, man. That's a sharp truck. Sounds good too. That was pretty fun out there. Yeah. Look at this rim, man. Whoa. All right. Let's see what we can do without touching it first. If we need to, we can go deeper. Go up to step 2 and shock it neutral. Here we go. Got to rinse it really, really, really well, and that'll be the final part of the cleaning process. Actually pretty decent. If you look at how it releases the water up here. You know, the paint's not bad. It's pretty fresh still, but we can make it a little faster. So I can make that sheet off there real quick. I'll just throw our snake oil on there real fast for you.
Got it once or twice.
What's that?
It's got it once or twice.
Oh, okay, so that's why it doesn't look too bad then. I was gonna say, it's like not doing horrible. Look over here. See how it's like releasing a little bit, not so much. When was the last time you threw snake oil on the thing? Do you remember?
3 months.
About 3 months?
Probably right when I got it, yeah.
There's some protection, but it looks like it could use a little bit of a refresher. So I'll throw some more on there and then we'll see if it improves. I'm sure it will. Like, if you look at this back door here, I'm sure we can make this fall off a little quicker. You know, I think that we can get that to bounce back.
What do you usually do, like once a month?
I mean, it depends, you know. I think that it'll last for, 3-4 months.
Oh, yeah.
I have up to 6 months on the newest label for that product. And that's just because in the best conditions, I think that's reasonable. I think it would still be there 6 months later. But when you're hammering it all the time, and you're dealing with the winter up here and you're washing it, you know, depending on what you use to wash it, you know, some soaps are stronger than others. The stronger the soap, the less lifespan you'll get out of it. But that's fine because you can put it on super quick and easy. So we'll throw it on there and see what it looks like. seeing the water behave the same across both of these surfaces. What do you prefer?
No, any Milwaukee.
Okay. Let's see what we get. Right down low under the logo here. Let's see if we get anything. Hey.
Yeah.
Nothing.
Nothing. No.
Nothing. Not really looking like anything. Wow. It got it, right? We got it all the way. I tell people to, expect about maybe a 85 to 95% clean, but sometimes you get lucky and it works out like 100%. This is looking great. I don't see anything left on this thing though. And your rubber looks like nice. Nice and dark. Oh really? You use the tire and trim too? Dude, that's perfect. Yeah. I like it. Yeah.
Listen, now that I don't think we've gotten anything from anybody in the last year now.
Yeah, probably.
Well, really?
We've gotten your stars and stripes here,
Okay. So
and we just get the big jug and we just dilute it at home.
Yeah.
We got your awesome sauce
Yeah, awesome
Okay.
sauce, tire
Sweet.
shine, the snake oil.
and the snake oil.
Awesome. Well, that's super cool. I appreciate that. And it's cool because you guys go all the way back. The Sweeney family was my father's first customer back in 1979. So your father, your grandfather
Correct.
was my father's first customer.
Your soap in 1971, you said, or
1979 was
would have been
was
like
the year,
sprayed
yeah.
on that truck multiple
Yeah.
times.
Oh man. Okay, we have to. We'll have to.
So that would have been sprayed on that truck.
Oh, the cab over. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Anytime you want, you bring that thing by. We'll make time for it.
Okay.
I will cancel plans to make that thing happen. That's super cool though.
Yeah.
Can you imagine?
After we pull it out of storage in the spring, you can get the first wash.
Okay. All right. Let's go. I'll make that happen.
All right, let's see what we got here. Whoa, this is perfect. Oh my gosh,
I think she approved.
nailed it.